hate when people agree with me when I'm on a on a tirade, because it just feels like they're like kind of baby, just like this tantruming little baby. You know what I mean?
So what do you want me to do?
Sit in silence, like Celine does.
Oh,
she doesn't listen.
And then you go on a rant about how we ignore you.
Exactly. It's fully cyclical.
It's a lose-lose.
Yes, exactly. Thank you. You're catching on.
I see where we're at now. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. God bless you.
I definitely know what Peter said in the last 10 seconds, yup. I only heard that I wasn't listening, but I really wasn't listening, and now I'm like sweating.
I wasn't listening. Yeah. That's me saying back to you what you just said on your stream, Celine.
Why do you have the volume on my stream?
I work in secret, like a ninja.
222-688
just happened?
What's that?
Have you guys seen that edited clip of like Janet says like a sound and then somebody actually put a bird right after? It's so funny. Or they use like a bird to... Yes, the crow one!
No, we don't know what she's talking about.
It's so funny! Oh my god.
I see Janet the bird. Janet the bird.
Oh my god, he's watching it.
No way!
He had a...
How is she doing that?
I think we should have HR in this server. And I would like to file a complaint.
Whoa, this is the best thing I've seen in a long time. It's so accurate. That's like one of the best things I've ever seen. I have tears.
It's
I have tears.
not the best.
It's amazing!
That was so good. I might start my stream every morning.
No, Ryan!
Let's do a rap battle.
What?
Yeah.
Wait, do you want a freestyler or do you want to like...
You want like 5-10 minutes to make a quick rap? Diss rap. Oh, we do diss rap.
All right, I'll see you whenever we're done, okay? Bye.
Okay, I'm meeting. Bye. Hello, I'm ready. You first, though.
Wait, no, you go first, bro. I'm
no,
shy.
No, you first. No,
you go first.
You go first.
I'm shy. What the hell? You can't make me
No,
go first.
you go first.
Dude, the second person is always the better one. Okay, fine. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Really on the diss track, going on the attack. Who can he even talk smack? Just like a teen, and a mind like one too. All of his jokes are just lily some word true. Hey, which one is more lame? Your sense of humor, those fake silver chains? Even though I'm babysitting chat for 2 hours, I've never met somebody who's that bad at keeping towers. Fly the hat, are you shy? Can't take a little banter, afraid you're gonna cry? I'm telling you this with all of my sincerity. Friendship with you is like doing some charity. But I'm a nice girl, right? It's not like I choose to bully you on sight. You make it so easy, your role plays cheesy. Your eyes tear up whenever you see me. And my own self-esteem tends to go up when I open your stream. I don't know why people find you appealing when every word I say hurts your little fragile feeling.
Oh my god, those are bars. Fuck. Oh god, I'm fucked.
I'm gonna be in someone's YouTube video. I got udders. Hi YouTube, welcome. What?
No.
To someone's channel. What, Abe? Say it. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Are you trying to say that you
write a nice thing below.
What the